If all you make is $50 a day in the beginning, you know what you're doing? Better than 99% of everybody else. $50, because most people are losing. $50, man. That's one handle in a a mini contract of the S&P. One handle. Like literally, if you look at price action, test this coming week coming out. When I'm gone, test it. Look and see if you can get a feel for where the market's going to gravitate to on a 1 minute chart. Here's your homework, okay? Do a demo and try to just capture, and here's your permission. You can do this with a mini contract on the E-mini S&P. If you know the draw, okay, wait for a fair value gap to trade into. And if it's going to go higher, if you think it's going to move higher, trade down inside of a BISI. As soon as it leaves the high of the BISI, put a limit order in just to capture 2 handles on a limit. Just buy it at the market, risk to the bottom of the fair value gap. It's going to be a negative R. It's okay. It's demo. All we're doing is teaching engagement. Just getting there, getting in, doing something. And put a limit order at 2 handles. That's $100. How many times do you do that this week? I don't want to give you a target. You tell me at the end of the week in a tweet or post to me on X, this is how many times I took it, and this is how many times I had a net gain of this. If it's a loss, show it. It's okay. If you made it, show it. It's okay. But all of you are stressing about all these 5-figure payouts. What happens if you just make $100 a day and you're not really working hard for it? All that is a volatility model. That's all it is. There's no bias. There's no, I need to know this. No, you don't. There's a relative equal high. We just took a short-term low out, so we rated that. First fair value gap that you see it trade down into, buy it at market, limit order, 2 handles on a mini, on ES, not NASDAQ. You're not doing anything with NASDAQ, so don't ask me. What would it be for NASDAQ? It's not anything for NASDAQ. We're talking about SP. You're learning how to trade all markets. Count how many times you can do that. And you're going to discover why you've been failing with these prop firm accounts. 2 handles have been in the way the whole time. 2 handles. $100. $100. That's $500 per week per account. If you had 20 of them, like all these people are trying to do, that's $1,000, and you didn't really work hard for it. As soon as you get it, move to the silence, go do something else. It'll change your way of thinking about money. You don't need a lot. And what would you do if you walked out of your house, checked your mailbox every single day, and there was a $100 bill, crisp and clean, laying in there for you? You don't know where it's coming from, but it's there. You're going to curse it, say, damn you. Stop fucking littering in my mailbox with this money. You better stop. Nobody's going to say that. Nobody's going to say that. But in the beginning, you need something to prove to you that doing very little can allow you to harvest something. And by harvesting and trading, it means taking something out that's spendable. And doing the least, something like this, will show you that you're overcomplicating it. You don't even need to see it trade anywhere. That minimum criteria alone, static price action alone, will allow you to yield that type of result. And you see all these people out here trying to say, I'm going to sell you a bot. I'm going to sell you a bot. What? Trading in itself is easy. Overcoming yourself and getting out of your own way, that's the hard part. That's the hard part, folks. But see, in the beginning, you don't want to acknowledge that. You don't want to do that because that means there's something wrong with your thinking. That means there's something wrong with you. And there is. You just need to have a paradigm shift, something that just recalibrates your perspective on things. And when you do that, you stop thinking negatively about yourself. And you start seeing the positive things and doing very little. And that's not laziness. That's working smart. That's working smart. So that's all I got for today.